91 degrees. A beautiful day. And where are we guys going? Where are we guys going?
Lake.
To the lake. You gonna go swimming, Miss Peyton?
Yeah. Yeah.
Going swimming. Most excited person of the whole day? Why don't you just meet me in the middle? I'm losing my mind just a little.
I need to get going.
At the beach now. Got some kids out on the beach already. Ryan and I, we're going for a ride. You ready, buddy? Let's do this. How's the ride so far, buddy?
Good.
Fantastic. Beautiful day, beautiful ride. It's gonna be good. Are we gonna go all the way around, Ryan?
Yeah.
We'll go all the way around. Hi. You know what we forgot? We literally went, stopped, and bought a 12-pack of bottled water. Guess where it is? Where's the water? All in the car.
Yeah, we brought him on the beach.
All 12?
Oh yeah.
Okay then. They got the right idea. Seen a bunch of jet skis out there earlier too, but it can't work. The train's honking its horn. All right, let's keep going. Once you learn the skateboard good, you're not gonna ride that no more? Makes sense, right? Jax, you get the hand-me-down of the scooter. He doesn't mind though. He loves the scooter. Oh, that's why you don't go slow. So blessed when we have weather like this and I get to ride with a lake on that side of me and on that side of me. Loving it. I missed it. Ryan about biffed it. He caught himself. But what happened there?
The brakes just like I was holding it in and then all of a sudden just boom.
That was close. And sure, I missed it. Right when I shut this thing off all the time. We better walk across the bridge. I've almost crashed on this bridge more than once. You know, this really is a fantastic trail. You go from like by the lakes to in woods to riding through traffic. Boosted board versus speed bump. No problem. Almost back to hydration. Got a keg of beer waiting for me. By that I mean 6 bottles of water. Is it cold? Is it warm? Not really? Alright. Alright.
She put the lime in the coke and now she drank 'em up. She put the lime in the coke and now she drank 'em full up. She put the lime in the coke and now she got the coconut. Stop, ain't there nothing I can take a set. Leave us belly, leave us take a set. Ain't there nothing I can take a set. Leave us belly, leave us take a set.
Look at this old race car. Even the old race cars are coming to the beach. Jade and I are gonna go for a quick ride now. She's bugging me. She's gonna ride the scooter. She doesn't want to ride a skateboard. No skateboard today?
I can't ride that.
Not yet? There's only one way to learn. Peyton's out there pretending she's drowning, screaming, and the lifeguards are not falling for it at all. You don't want to vlog?
I can't.
You can't vlog. You can't ride a skateboard. You can't vlog. You can't cook. You can't,
vlog
clean.
and
You can't watch kids
can't
unless you're
and-
paid $20 an hour. What can you do? You forgot? Race?
No, no, no.
Come on, let's race. We're gonna race. It's all the way down. Your scooter runs out of battery halfway through it and you gotta push the thing all the way back. Now you run somebody off the road, go in front and slam the brakes on. I'm kidding. She gets scared, gets off, turns around, goes back, still gets lost. Even your shadow's faster than you. I just told Jaden, let's keep going forward because she wanted to turn around. I told her we were halfway. We're totally not halfway yet. First thing she said when we left was, Dad, I want to go, but I will not ride on the road. We're totally riding on the road. Aren't you glad I brought you over here now? See the beach? Way over there. Now we're halfway. Are you walking down the hill? Oh no. Her battery did officially die. I was just joking around about it, and now your battery really is dead. Want me to get a rope and pull you back?
No! No! No!
You want me to give you a piggyback ride? And you hold on to the scooter?
Oh, that's too hard.
Too hard? Heavy? Taking a nap?
I only got 2 hours of sleep. I went to bed at 9:30.
Whose fault's that? Turn the video games off.
I didn't play any video games last night.
I just leave her in the dust. Find your own way home. Jax. The scooter died on JD. How was your day at the beach so far?
How far?
About half, well, at the bridge. About a little before the bridge. How was your beach day? Good? Oh, you don't want to come again?
I do want to.
Oh, you do want to come again. Okay. Don't forget your sandal. How was your beach day? Awesome? Best day ever? Did you swim?
I didn't get to swim like this.
Ah, reenactment. Well, you made it all the way around the lake. Barely. As he sat there, staring into the abyss, he was wondering, maybe I just ride with them? Or maybe I should just chill out here and wonder what's coming. What's coming for me in these next days to years to come? I didn't know, but as my hair blew in the wind, I smiled and knew everything would be alright. Best day of my life, my life.